Alright, so you should be on page 171. So we've been working on adding two-digit and two-digit numbers, but today we're going to look at how to break them down. Now, does that mean that we're not going to add them anymore? No, we're still going to add them, but this is another way. Remember, we talked about all year about there's more than one way to solve a problem, right? Right? Okay, so if you find it difficult to add two-digit and two-digit, we can break it down nice and neat and then solve it that way, okay? So look at your example. Your example says, there are 45 long sleeve shirts and 27 short sleeve shirts on a table at a store. How many shirts are on the table? So we know that we're going to add 45 and 27. Okay? Now, 45 and 27 are two big old numbers, right? Right? I need y'all with me. Some of y'all aren't with me. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to break it apart. So 45 can be broken down to two nice round numbers. 40 and 5. Right, Charlotte? Right? Because 40 plus 5 is 45. Okay? 27 can be broken down to 20 and 7, right? Because 20 plus 7 is 27, right? Okay, so then we're going to take this nice round number and this nice round number, and we're going to write it down here like this, okay? And then we're going to take this number and this number, and we're going to write it like that. Okay? I need everybody looking at the board. If you're doing something else with your pencil, then you're going to be lost. Okay. Now we're going to take these two numbers and we're going to add them together. Here's a quick way for you to add two numbers with zeros on the end. Somebody raise your hand and tell me, what's 4 plus 2? Brayden? 4 plus 2. 6. Now, what do you think I'm going to do with that 0, Kylie? You're going to bring it down. So 40 plus 60, or 40 plus 20 equals 60. Okay? Now I'm not done. Now I got to add these. What's 5 plus 7? Somebody raise your hand. Mary, what's 5 plus 7?
12.
It's 12. Okay? So now I got two nice round numbers. Okay? Now we're going to add them. Is it easy to add things this way?
Yes.
When they're going this way?
No.
No. So off to the side, we can go 60 plus 12. And then which side do we do first?
The 1.
The 1. So 0 and 2 equal, Maya?
2.
2. And then 6 plus 1, Layla?
7.
7. So 60 plus 12 gives us 72. Okay? So when we go back and they ask us 45 plus 27, our original, 45 plus 27 equals 72. We just figured it out a different way. Following me? It takes a lot longer, but it's still another way to figure it out. Okay? Let's look at number 1. Everybody look at number 1. We have, oh, I went the wrong way. Alright, 16 plus 38. Now, it already breaks down 16 for you into 10 and 6. Sterling, I need you on on this page, please, ma'am. Charlotte, I need you on this page, please, ma'am. Okay, it already breaks down 16 for you. Now, 38 needs to be broken down. So what number is going to go here, Luke?
30.
It's going to go 30. So with your pencil, write 30. With your pencil, write 30. Malachi, I need you sitting in the chair properly, please. Alright, now, remember, the next line is going to take the two numbers with zeros, and we're going to write them down here, right? And so what two numbers are going to be on the other side? Bryce? Not 16. Bryce? No, 6 plus 8. Okay? Alright, so 10 plus 30, Malachi, equals what? Malachi, 10 plus 30. Remember the trick I told you. What's 3 plus 1? 4. And then what do I do with that 0? Do I forget it? What do I do? You bring it down. So 10 plus 30 is 40. Why are you drawing on your desk? Now, I'm not done. Now I have to do 6 plus 8. Hollis, what's 6 plus 8? It's 14. Am I done?
No.
No. So off to the side, what are you going to do? Graded? Okay, we're going to write an equation this way, and what are we going to write? Sterling. Good. All right, I want you to solve 40 plus 14. I'm just going straight down number 1. You got it. Now off to the side, write your equation of 40 plus 14. No. What is that? Oh, okay. Here's one. That's nice and sharpened. Use it. Off to the side, write your equation of 40 plus 14 and solve it. Remember, which side do we do first? The ones. What, James? Nope. I just want you to write the equation for this one. Write that. Alright, so 40 plus 14. What do we get, Bryce?
34.
34? Bryce, 0 plus 4 is what?
4.
Okay, 4. Now 4 plus 1, Bryce. 4 plus 1, Bryce. 5. So Bryce, what does it equal?
45.
No, try again. Bryce, look. 54. So then your bottom line down here should be 54. Okay? We're going to try one more together. Look at number 2. I know this takes a lot longer to solve it, but you have to know how the numbers get to be the numbers. Okay? Alright, sit still. Let's look at number 2. Okay? 29 plus 11. We got to break down each one of those numbers. So 29 should be 20 plus what, Brock?
20
Plus 9. You said it right the first time. 11. Brayden, how are we going to break that down? 10 plus what? 10 plus 1. Okay? Now remember, we're going to take our two zero numbers and they rewrite them 20 plus 10. And then on the other side is going to be what? Bryce? Good. 9 plus 1. Because we've taken our two zero numbers. Now what's left is our 9 and our 1. Okay? So 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10. Wasim, what's 20 plus 10? 30. So we get 30 plus 9 plus 1. Chandler? 10. Now, do we need to write this equation off to the side? No, not this one. Because the trick I taught you is to add the two numbers and then do what with your zero?
Bring it down.
Bring it down. So what's 3 plus 1?
4.
4. And then we bring down our zero. Final answer is 40. If you want to put it over to the side, you can. Right? If you want to. But for this one, you don't have to. Also, okay, if you're counting 10, 20, 30 plus 10 more is 40. Right? Right? Makes sense? Okay, so it's a little bit more work to do, but